iPhone 12 chassis rumored to feature a ring of magnets, perhaps for mounting to a new charging accessory. So we have some images here that leaked, originated from Everything Apple Pro and got picked up here on 9 to 5 Mac. Apparently, we could see a magnetic wireless charge pad or stand or something for the upcoming iPhone to potentially launch alongside the upcoming iPhone, because these images seem to indicate that we've got some kind of strange looking circular magnet pattern in what appears to be an official upcoming Apple iPhone case, as you can see right there. And so the thinking here is that, like, one of the drawbacks with wireless chargers, unless you have an actual dock style wireless charger, can they see this? Can I bring this over here? Can they see that, Will? I use this every day.
Yeah.
They can see that. That's the OnePlus fast wireless charger. And one of the reasons you end up going for these dock styles is so you can't screw up the position. It's going to land on the coil every time. But when you go with a flat pad, you can misalign the coils, and it can really spoil the experience, the wireless experience. Mm-hmm. If you've got a magnet there, upcoming iPhone 12, then and they end up finally doing some wireless charge pad, and you just kind of slap the thing near the right spot, and then it bang aligns itself with powerful magnets in a circular formation. It takes away some of the thought that has to go into lining it up. Mm-hmm. And I know it seems very minor, but these are the types of experiences people have that convince them to adopt new technologies. And I've been fighting the wireless charging war for a decade now. And in the early days, people sucks, I hate it, it's unreliable, or there's not enough coils in the charger, or it's slow, which it's still slower. It's gotten a lot better, but it's still slower than a wire, especially when you're talking about these super VOOC stuff going on. Mm. But I just love the convenience of it. And the more convenient it can be, the greater the potential for more people to adopt it and say, yeah, you know what, that's worthwhile. The convenience is worth something to me. Mm. It's never going to be as fast, at least not anytime soon, as a wire, but the convenience takes it a step above. So Apple is not unfamiliar with magnets. They're doing all kinds of fancy things with magnets on the iPad Pro with the Magic Keyboard, and all the flipping and flapping that's going on is very magnet driven. And so it wouldn't be, I thought it was odd they gave up on the wireless charger altogether. They were having issues, but you got to believe they may still have something in the pipeline, and then there could be an actual iPhone component to go with that upcoming charge mat. They could sell a ton of charge mats. And it's a way for them to say, hey, this is why you want the Apple branded wireless charge mat. Even though our thing, maybe it ends up still being Qi compatible, they say, look, it's so much better on ours because the magnets, we designed the whole thing to work together in unison for a perfect experience, because I'm Federighi. Federighi, you see? Yeah. It's all seamless. It's Apple. It's seamless. It's Tim Cook in Congress. We just want to make the best things, not the most things. You see? And when they have the magnets line up and slap together, they're making the case. Anyways, it says that this is going to be for the official iPhone 12 cases. That's what Everything Apple Pro says. And it's a very unusual looking magnet system. It actually looks like their headquarters.
Yeah, it's very Apple.
The magnet layout looks like their infinite loop headquarters, whatever that space shuttle they work out of. Uh-huh. So they even baked that in there. If the rumor actually turns out to be true, we shall see.